We test all our iPhone 5 screen one by one. Please see how we test our iPhone 5 screen. Step 1. Compare the testing screen to a standard sample, both the front side and back side, to check if there are any defective, such as the color difference, the screw drop, the glue overflow, flex cable, and other problem. No spot on the screen, no damage, no scratched, no dirty. Step 2. Check the frame of the screen. Push and pull this frame. If it is not strong, that is no good. Okay, the frames are good. Step 3. Check the small parts on screen. The sponsor on the connector, the camera rings, and the anti-dust mesh on the earpiece. We fixed all small parts on the iPhone screen. Step 4. Function testing. Connect the screen to the testing panel. We will test the touch function and the display function. Check the black and white screen. If there are any spot faulty on the screen, we will know it. Okay, perfect display. Now test the touching function. Must test all screen. Make sure there is no die pilux, no touch delay. Nice touch. Step 5. Test the size of the screen. Put the screen into the back cover to check whether they fit well. The screen must fit the back cover perfectly. No seam, no distortion. Step 6. We'll pack it. Clean the surface of the screen with some alcohol. Replace and put a new protective film. Then put the screen into an EVA box. This is the final product you will get. iPhone 5. That's all. Thanks for your watching.